What would happen if tomorrow morning you walked outside and saw not one, but two suns rising over the horizon? Would Earth melt? Would the solar system collapse? Would life survive something like this? Today we're diving into one of the most mind-bending cosmic what-ifs ever imagined. What if Jupiter became a star? And trust me, this scenario is not what most people expect. To understand this alternate reality, we need to know one thing. Jupiter is already a failed star. It has the recipe, hydrogen-helium, a dense, hot core. But what it doesn't have is mass. For Jupiter to ignite nuclear fusion, the process that makes stars shine, it would need to be 80 times more massive. Not add a moon, not add the asteroid belt. We would need 80 Jupiters, all mashed into one. So in our story today, imagine a cosmic miracle happens. Someone or something gives Jupiter enough mass to ignite. The question is, then what? Even with enough mass, Jupiter wouldn't become another sun. It would become a red dwarf, the smallest, coolest, and dimmest type of star. A Jupiter star would be much smaller than the sun, much dimmer, more red than yellow, and barely bright enough to cast a noticeable shadow on Earth. It would look less like a blinding sun and more like a giant glowing ember floating in the darkness. But even a small star can have huge consequences. Here's the surprising part. Earth would not burn. The new Jupiter star would be too dim to fry our planet. But Earth would change in subtle but dramatic ways. Nights would never be completely dark again. The sky would have a permanent red glow. Stars would be harder to see. Animals relying on night darkness would struggle. And Earth's seasons might shift slightly due to orbital changes. Overall, Earth survives, but we're not done yet. The real drama happens around Jupiter itself. Its moons, over 90 of them, would suddenly find themselves orbiting a glowing star. Europa's ice shell could start melting, Io's volcanoes might go extreme, Ganymede and Callisto could warm up. Some icy moons might actually become habitable worlds, filled with liquid oceans and thick atmospheres. In a strange twist, Jupiter turning into a star might create new Earth-like environments in the outer solar system. With two stars, does our solar system become a binary star system? Not exactly. Binary stars usually orbit each other closely, but the Sun and a Jupiter star would be extremely far apart. So instead of spinning around each other like dance partners, the Sun stays the main ruler. The Jupiter star becomes a glowing sidekick. Planets like Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune would feel the gravitational shift. Their orbits could wobble, stretch, or even shift farther out. Despite having two suns, humanity wouldn't go extinct. Here's why. The new star isn't hot enough to burn Earth. It's too far to cause tidal destruction. It's too dim to overheat the oceans. The bigger danger is orbital disruption. A small change in Earth's orbit, even 1%, could create centuries of climate instability. Winters could stretch longer. Summers could become unpredictable. And old ecosystems might collapse while new ones form. In the end, the solar system wouldn't be destroyed, but it would never be the same. Earth would glow under two suns, Jupiter's moons might awaken with oceans, and the outer planets would drift into new orbits. This alternate universe would be beautiful, unstable, and unlike anything humanity has ever imagined. And hey, if you enjoyed traveling through this alternate universe with me, then imagine what we can explore next. Black holes, alien worlds, dying stars, cosmic mysteries. There's so much waiting out there. So if you want more journeys like this, hit the like button, drop a comment telling me which what if you want next, and subscribe so you don't miss the next dive into the cosmos. Until then, keep looking up.